All right, last item on the agenda is another video. Fire safety theme. Deputy Richardson has stressed that he does not want something silly like a hip hop video.
Hip hop video?
Oh yeah!
Smoke alarms, the beat that saves, keeping you safe both night and day. Yeah, smoke alarms, the beat that saves, install them now, no, don't delay. Yeah, smoke alarms, the beat that saves, make sure they work, test yours today. It's time for us to recognize that only working smoke alarms save lives.
Welland Fire and Emergency Services would like to remind you that only working smoke alarms can save lives. So install them, test them, and maintain them in your home.
Smoke alarms, the beat that saves,
Hey, can I ask a quick...
night and day. Yeah,
What are you doing?
that saves, install
What?
them now, no,
What? Nothing, go away.
beat that saves, make sure they work, test yours today. It's time for us to recognize